AI has changed a lot of things. One of the processes that it has changed is finding a new job. If I had to find a job tomorrow, hit reset, paycheck dependent, find something new, full-time role, here is the AI stack that I would actually use to do it. And the platform doing the heavy lifting is called Jobright. It's the auto-apply jobs setup that's letting people fire off 50 quality job applications a day without it feeling like a second job. So let's walk through and I'll show you how this works. So you sign up very quickly. I just use Google usually to sign in. Once you're in, you can upload your resume. You can set up your profile for, your work experience and what you're actually looking for in a job. For this one, I put full stack engineer as the job that I'm looking for here. So you can set all your criteria. You want full-time, part-time, on-site, hybrid, in the US. It took me about 90 seconds to get my resume uploaded, to put in the filters for the job that I would be looking for. And then that's it. From there on, AI gets to work. So you can see as it starts matching jobs, it gives a score based on, your fit and what you were looking for exactly. It gives a score for each of these jobs. And it's not just keyword matching. There used to be job finding services like this before, but they were basically just kind of keyword matching and it just didn't work very well. AI has changed this. So AI has made it so that it can actually look at your actual experience against the role that you're looking at, and it'll show you're this much of a fit. So when these are actual roles, there's no spam, no fake jobs. It's updated hourly. In fact, you'll see this one I'm not as good of a match for, but it's up top because it was recent, and be an early applicant can help you out. So it ranks them based on what you should probably go look at first. There's 8 million total jobs on Jobright, 400,000 new ones every day, including roles that you don't even see on LinkedIn or Indeed. So, and then here's where you actually lose a lot of time normally when you're looking for a job, but it's tailoring your resume for each individual job. But I can take like this job here at the top and click customize my resume. And Jobright reads the job description, it pulls the right keywords, rewrites my bullets, and hands me back an optimized resume about 6 seconds. So, and it's not lying, it's just tailoring, your different experience towards that particular role. For example, for this role, they're looking for software testing. Well, I've done a lot of software testing. I just didn't think to put that on my resume. But this sees, hey, you're missing this skill. You have this skill. You should put it on. Full stack web application development. I've definitely done that. Staff level software engineering. I've done that. I just didn't word it the same way that their job position did. So you can see, rewrote my resume to fit this better. And you can do that every day for free. I think you get a couple free each day. If you go to the paid subscription on Jobright, then you can get a lot more. But getting just a couple a day is probably enough to get you going. You see my score jumped from a 4.5 to an 8 just on those changes to my resume. So then when you're ready, you can apply now and it'll open up the job description. And then there's actually a Chrome extension that it's connected to my Jobright account. It has my resume already there. You can generate a cover letter here, but you can do autofill and then it goes through the whole page and will just autofill based on your info from Jobright. So again, this would take, this lets you be able to submit 50 applications per day instead of 5 in the same amount of time. So, and everything I've shown you so far is free. The signing up is free. The extension is free. Getting your resume on there, you get a few free resume generations per day. You can do all that for free. So I do recommend go check it out. If you're in the market for a new job, you need to check out Jobright. Then I thought this was pretty cool too. When you click on an individual job, you can go down to Insider Connection and it'll show you people you're connected with on LinkedIn who could refer you to this. But you can find this is somebody I worked for before. These are people connected to people that I'm connected to that could perhaps give me an introduction or give me a referral into the company. And they found that reaching out through a referral gets you about 3 times as many responses as applying cold. So this is a good tool to help that. So it's cool. It does a lot of research into the company so you can kind of see where they're at, what their funding's at. A lot of good information. But one more thing I want to show you is this Ask Orion. That's kind of their AI agent. But let's say down here, you can ask it questions about that particular role. So help me prep for a interview for this job. So it takes that particular job that I was looking at and it kind of gives a plan for the interview. So understanding the company, review job responsibilities, brush up on required skills, showcase preferred skills, and it just helps you out through that interview process. And you really can ask it anything. It's kind of like a coach for any particular role that you're wanting to get. So, honest take, if I were going into the job market this week, I would not open LinkedIn first. I would start at Jobright. Even if you just use their free stuff, that's where I would begin and start getting applications out that way. But matching to the right jobs and then AI tailoring your resume, the autofill from the Chrome extension, creating cover letters, the referral lookups give you a warm intro, then Orion can help you with any questions you have along the way. That's a stack. That's a lot better than just hopping on LinkedIn and start applying. So sign up for free at the link in my description. The link will be down below. It takes 2 minutes. You'll start seeing your matches. If you are job hunting right now, you need to check this out. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love just bringing different AI tools and just different AI things that help you save time, save money. God bless you all, and have a great rest of your day.